Alright, he's ready for the step-by-step Insta Smile into dentures. Let me show you step-by-step how to do it. You're going to need Insta Smile, a bowl of ice water, and a bowl of boiling water. Here we go. Step 1 is to put the Insta Smile in boiling water until that white thing on the back, the sticky stuff, turns clear. We have now clear, pliable. You're gonna, I have one tooth there. You're gonna push it, kind of hold it where it needs to go, and with your tongue, you'll feel the stuff on the back. Kind of set it where you want it to be. Okay? You see? I'm making like a divot with that. Okay? Kind of make sure your bottom teeth can go under it. Okay? Don't bite all the way. Hold it. Let it come out and put it in cold water. Okay, once it's in cold water, it's going to turn white and it will be hard, and then you can check the fit. Now, if the fit's not good, that's okay. Insta Smile is very forgiving. Just throw it back in the boiling water and redo the whole thing. That feels good. I'm going to set this to the side. And now we move on to the modeling beads. Pour them in. Get the other one. And you can see they're already turning clear. And they will clump together, okay? Pour these ones in. Make sure you get all of them. Okay. And then you're going to stir them up until you have all of them like this, okay? On a spoon. Just let it sit there while you get your Insta Smile ready. Okay, now you have this piece. And you have your beads. Put this in. Get the beads. Okay. Push them off the roof of your mouth. Connect it all together. Okay. Then you're going to put this, that you kind of have them connected together with a little bit of a mold. You are going to want to do this. I'm going to flatten it out. And then you're going to put it back into hot water. Okay? And the reason why you want to put it back into hot water is so the Insta Smile piece and the modeling beads both melt together and create like one piece. Okay? When you have that, kind of, you know what I'm talking about? Pushing your tongue up and holding these where you want them to be. Gently take it out. If you weren't gentle like I was, and just try again. And gently hold it in cold water. Gently. You don't want to have that clear material, the modeling beads, harden in the wrong way. Then you'll have to reheat it and do it again. So you just kind of want to be gentle. Don't go throwing it in with ice cubes. Just cold water. It will look like this. Check the fit. I like it. Take it out. Put it in the cold water. Okay. Once it's dry, check the fit again. Now that it's completely hard, make sure it's comfortable. Looks good where it should be. Then you get denture adhesive. And you just do line around there. And I just do like a little dot on the top. Pop it in. Hold. Ta-da! And that's it. Now it's in. Feels good. I could talk with it. I look good now, right? It's really quite easy, right? I just made them in under 5 minutes. You can too. So yes, you can turn an Insta smile into a denture smile.